Sorry, I'm eating, as you can see. When I lived in Virginia, there was this place called Rainforest, and they had all different kinds of lemonades. And they had this one lemonade, it's called Lavender lemonade. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It was the best thing one of the best things I've ever eaten or drank in my life. And so I've been trying to make it myself. And the first time I made it, it didn't come out right. Second time I made it, it came out better because I let the lavender seep a little bit in the lemonade. So I'm going to try another way with you guys and see how it works. And you can try it at home too. All you need is a cheesecloth. This is an experiment, y'all. Cheesecloth, lavender flowers, your favorite lemonade, and an empty bottle. So I'm going to take this cheesecloth, this is the first part. This is the full cloth for the cheesecloth. Ooh, ooh. So we're gonna cut it, and because we don't need all of this, I'm gonna cut it. It's kind of already cut for me, so I'm just gonna cut along the line. Oh shoot, I think I may have forgotten one thing. But we'll try to make it work without it. I need something to tie this with. We'll see. So you take the lavender leaves, lavender flowers, and you put it in the cheesecloth. And you make a little satchel or little I don't know how many to do. Oh man, I need some twist ties. I did think of it, but I found some twine. So we're gonna use some twine. So make sure you go get some twine too. And we're gonna tie it. I did think about the little mini rubber bands, but I'm like, I mean, they weren't used in my hair, so I guess I could use them, but nah, we're just gonna use stuff that you're supposed to use in the kitchen. And we're gonna make sure whatever vessel you use, this can fit in. I didn't think about that. Oh, it fits. I'm going to try 4. Actually, when I'm finished, I'm going to do 2 separate things with the final seed infused lemonade. How many is that? 3. 1 more. Not sure if this is how the young lady made hers, but this is the rough way. This is the chef rough way. And it's starting to get hot here in New York, so I thought this would be a perfect time to try it out. Yay! Thank you, Grandma. You had just enough twine here. So you move this to the side. Open the new. Or you can even make your own lemonade if you want to. Ain't nobody got time for that right now. I might do my own lemonade. I think the first time I did it, I did make my own lemonade. And then I seeped it. And it was good. The lemonade was good, but I just want to use something that's already made. We done some displacement because of the lavender pouches in here. Make sure it's, and then you want to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake. If you went to HBCU, you know that song. Shake it, shake peas. Shake it, shake peas. Spice it. Woo! Hopefully they'll get down and it'll get throughout the whole thing. See, I told you, we're just trying it. It's just an experiment. But I don't want them to be up here. Oh, well, at least they're underneath now. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to let it get cool, and I'll be back. So I'm back for part 2 of my lavender lemonade experiment. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for about 12 hours. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to taste some to see if it's to my liking of taste of lavender and lemonade taste. Couldn't find my words. A little bit. You can have it sit for a little longer if you want more of the lavender taste. I feel like you smell it more than you taste it, but you still taste it too. You can taste that there's a change in the way that the lemonade tastes. So I think it would be really good if it's hot at night and you don't have to eat AC. This is a good drink for before you go to bed, because lavender does help you go to sleep. Like the lavender in my Peace Before Daylight sprays. Get yours now. A little plug. Excuse me. Baking again. Let me go pop. I'm back. So I tasted it. I like it. What I'm going to do with most of it, I'm going to put it in the ice tray, because I'm going to make ice cubes. Okay. Now I'm going to try to walk this over to the freezer. If I can find some room. Well, it looks like I gotta take it to the freezer in the back. So, you're gonna put it in the freezer. You can check it in the morning or check it whenever you want to check it to see if it's solid. So I'm gonna have, because it's night, I'm gonna have mine go overnight. And I'll be back for part 3. Okay, I'm back for, I think, the last part. So my ice cubes are all frozen. And I'm gonna, no, they're not. Ooh. They're not set all the way. All of them aren't. You get the idea. I'm going to take them out. Oh, this one is almost formed. I'm going to take a few out. Let's see it. This is how it tastes. Perfect for a nice honey guy. That's enough, because I have something else I'm going to put in there. Mangoes. I'm all in my hands. Push it down in there. And I have my own little personal blender. Get some extra vitamin C in there. And if I have fruit-based protein powder, I will put that in there. If I gotta get some, put that in there. And for a liquid base, some more lemonade. Put the top on. And let it rip. No! No! Oh man. But you get the idea. My thing needs to be charged, I think. Or maybe it's stuck because of the mango. Let's see. Okay, a cup. Let's see if it still won't go. There it goes. It just stuck because of the mango. Put some more of that in there. And some more liquid. it up a little bit. All right, I'm back. Let's see. And there you have it, a nice cold drink for this spring summer that we're having. You should try it. It's good. Use whatever fruit you like, but the main thing is the lavender and the lemonade. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy it if you try it. So as always, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Be a daylight in someone else's life, and enjoy the daylight in yours.